Finally, after a long wait, JBIMS MSc Finance notification has been released. In this video, we will be discussing the complete details of the notification. After that, we will be discussing about the overall admission process, and finally we will talk about the fees and the overall placement scenarios. According to the notification, you have to visit the website which is mentioned on your screen. The application window is from 11th of July to 26th of July till 4 p.m. and the application fee is Rs 1500. The documents that you need to apply for JBIMS MSc Finance program are again displayed on your screen. As per the documents, you need your 10th, 12th graduation certificates. According to the documents, it is clear that only MBA CET and CAT score will be accepted for the admission process. Students who have appeared for UPSC prelims and mains are also eligible to write the exam. The admission process includes initial screening through CET and CAT score, followed by in-person assessment. In-person assessment includes written ability test, then group discussion and personal interview. The overall weightage of in-person assessment and your application rating score is displayed on your screen. So cutoff for JBIMS is 95 percentile through CAT exam and 97 percentile through MBA CET exam. The total intake is of only 40 students, so there is a cutthroat competition. So fees for the course is just 6 lakhs, but the median salary goes to about 21 lakhs per annum. So it is definitely worth a try. Those who have scored less than 99.9 percentile in MBA CET and still want to get into JBIMS, this is your chance. If you have any doubt related to the admission process, the overall preparation strategy, put it in the comment section and like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.